set aside means if any order is passed and cancelling that order is meaning to set aside. For example, I can say you have filed a suit for certain relief.
Okay, sir.
For such a suit, a hearing is fixed by the court. On that day, when the case is called, there was no representation and you failed to appear before that court and represent your case.
Okay.
The court will automatically come to the conclusion to dismiss your suit for default. You may not be knowing the set dismissal order. Later on, when your party comes and asks about, sir, what is the status of my case, sir, then immediately you will be rushing to the court, failed to appear, let us see what is happened to that suit. Then you will be rushing to the court. When you refer the court diary with regard to the result of that proceedings, at that time only you will be knowing that the suit is dismissed for default on earlier hearing date itself. That doesn't mean that there ends the matter. You are given with a liberty of, or you are provided with a sufficient provisions of law to get the suit restored in file. For that you must take out a petition to the court saying that the failure to appear on previous hearing date was neither willful nor wanton, but due to some other fact, maybe you might have been fell sick, or you might not be able to come to the court in time due to traffic, or totally you forgot and you failed to represent the matter on the day. For that non-appearance, there may be so many reasons. Then in your application you must plead to the court the non-appearance and non-representation of the case on that particular day was neither willful, but due to the fact of my illness or my inability to come, or some other, or while coming to the court met with accident and all that. So many factual aspects are there putting you or delaying you from attending the court, which resulted dismissal of your suit. Then narrating all these facts, you must file an application or petition to restore your dismissed suit for default. In prayer you must seek. It is therefore prayed that this honorable court may be pleased to set aside the earlier order of dismissal of default my suit dated passed on. So once you want to cancel the order, the court in its legal terms assigning the word setting aside. In Tamil we can say rattu seidal. This is what the set aside